Hello and welcome to Tile TV. I'm your host, Jennifer Riley. From the technical department at NTCA comes a commonly asked question related to the proper installation of ceramic tile cove base. Does the industry recommend a particular way in which ceramic tile cove base should be installed? In other words, should the tile be installed on the floor all the way to the wall and the cove base set on top of the floor tile? Or should a gap be left on the floor, allowing for a cove base to be installed and placed flush to the tile floor? What if there are no cove base options even available for the tile selected? With the increased use of floor tile and large format tile on walls, this is often the case. Many times, installers have been questioned if they did this procedure correctly and have been asked to tear out an installation. The answer is that there is no specific requirement in the standards to do this one way or the other. The TCNA Handbook for Tile Installation addresses this specifically in the section titled Using the TCNA Handbook for Specification Writing. Pay close attention to the section they put this detail in. In other words, the tile contractor or installer should not be making this decision on their own. Specific trim options need to be discussed in the specification or design phase so that the proper materials are ordered and the layout is completely understood ahead of time. The handbook actually shows 3 specific options called base and cove alternatives. The square alternative option allows for a tile without any coving on the bottom of the piece to be placed directly on the floor tile. This could be a cut tile or a custom-made tile with a bullnose finished edge. The flush method allows for the floor tile to leave a gap wide enough for the base piece to be installed to allow the cove base and the floor tile to meet together in a continuous or flush installation. The thin lip method entails the floor tile being installed directly up to the wall and the base tile to be installed on top of it. All 3 methods require a sealant at the gaps to allow for perimeter movement. If this is not called for in the specification, then the tile installer should discuss these options with the homeowner, builder, or general contractor ahead of time so the proper materials can be ordered. Thank you for watching this episode of Tile TV. We'll be back soon, so stay tuned.